YouTube videos about this.
The ones that dig big holes with their hands and then the holes have big excavator marks on them?
What a coincidence. Let's build a water slide.
Daren, you find a river.
And you build a fire.
This is gonna be so awesome. Then we can work on the excavator marks together.
See you in a jiff.
You know, in the videos, they just rub two sticks together and they make a fire, almost as if the sticks were coated in kerosene.
Water, river.
I'll go look for some kerosene.
You know, that's gonna take forever. I wonder if this string goes to a bucket of water.
You know, in the videos, they just dig and find oil. I wonder if I'll dig and find kerosene. This dirt is so firm, so hard to dig for kerosene. I wonder if this rope leads to less firm dirt, so I can dig for kerosene.
This sure is a long string. I don't even know which direction it's going.
Daren, what are you doing?
What are you doing? I thought you were building a fire.
I thought you were looking for water.
Why aren't you at the home base?
What home base?
Where is the home base? Let's find a home base.
I'm gonna smash some rocks together to make tools. That's what they do in videos.
I'm gonna find leaves that look like posters. Daren, could this go on a wall?
Yes. Daren, I made an axe. You know, Daren, this is a bit lackluster. Let's go somewhere else. Daren, I'm gonna chop a tree so we can make a house. Maybe if I throw it.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. Daren, if this leads to civilization, this branch is civilization.
Let's look.
This string is leading us somewhere. I better follow it. I can't seem to reach it. Huh.
String, take us up. The wind blew the string away. Daren, where's the string? Daren! Daren! Follow our instincts. Daren, I found civilization. We did it. Daren, it's cold out here. We need to find a place to go inside.
Look, there. Yippee!
Daren, what are you doing?
I'm swinging.
But you're still cold.
I guess.
You're gonna overcold.
I guess.
Daren, come on.
I guess. Look, Daren, a road.
This will probably lead to a public, warmed place.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Daren, 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 Daren.